Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this quick guide, I will show you how to fix your MSI gaming monitor not turning on.
Fix 1. Check the power connection. Step 1. Unplug the monitor's power cable from the wall outlet. Step 2. Wait 30 seconds and plug it back in firmly. Step 3. Make sure the power outlet is working by testing it with another device. Step 4. Try a different power cable if you have one. Fix 2. Check power button light. Step 1. Press and hold the power button for 5 to 10 seconds. Step 2. See if the light LED on the monitor turns on. If light is on, power is fine. If no light, power issue or monitor problem. Fix 3. Check cables input. Step 1. Make sure the HDMI or display port cable is connected tightly. Step 2. Try another cable or port. Step 3. Use the monitor's buttons to pick the right input HDMI 1, DP, etc. Fix 4. Test with another device. Step 1. Connect the monitor to another PC or laptop. Step 2. If it works, your old PC or graphics card might be the problem. Fix 5. Do a power reset. Step 1. Unplug all cables from the monitor. Step 2. Hold the power button for 30 seconds. Step 3. Wait a minute, then plug everything back in and turn it on.